Hey everybody, I'm going to be showing you a basic, easy way to add a simple formula. One of the first things that you want to do is add some space where you can put your formula results. So you can right click on row 2 and insert one row above it. I'm going to be doing it in this row where there's a question about how many times you check your phone. So here in this cell, I'm going to type the equal sign and then the word sum, because it's going to be adding these numbers up. And I'm going to select just these first few numbers just to show you how that works. And then I'm going to close the parentheses and I'm going to hit enter. This number is now the total of these numbers. So if I change, for example, this first entry from 6 to 0, you'll see that reflected in the number above. When you're playing around with your spreadsheet, make sure that you don't change too much data so that you still have the data accessible. After you know how to put in a general easy formula, you should go to the link and add 2 or 3 more formulas.